It's a beautiful new day. Running down the avenue, I see the stars shine brightly in this city where the streets were petty. Mr. Blue Sky is living here today. Mr. Blue Sky, please tell us why you had to hide away for so long. Where did we go wrong? Mr. Blue Sky, please tell us why you had to hide away for so long. Where did we go wrong? Hey, you with the pretty face, welcome to the human race. A celebration. Mr. Blue Sky's up here waiting, and today is the day we waited for. Mr. Blue Sky, please tell us why you had to hide away for so long. Where did we go wrong? Mr. Blue Sky, please tell us why you had to hide away for so long. Where did we go wrong? Hey there, Mr. Blue, we're so pleased to be with you. Look around, see what you do. Everybody smiles at you. Hey there, Mr. Blue, we're so pleased to be with you. Look around, see what you do. Everybody smiles at you. Mr. Blue, you didn't run, but soon comes Mr. Night creeping over. Now his hand is on your shoulder. Never mind, I remember you this. Oh, I remember you this way. Mr. Blue Sky, please tell us why you had to hide away for so long. Where did we go wrong? Mr. Blue Sky, please tell us why you had to hide away for so long. Where did we go wrong? Where did we go wrong? Where did we go wrong? Mr. Blue Sky.
Well done, Rachel. Louise, what do you think of Rachel's performance?
Rachel, I think first of all, it was a really well-rounded performance visually. You know, you had like the kind of attitude. It reminded me of like being in a jazz bar, like back in the day when, like, you see in films and Hollywood films and things like that, and you were the singer on the stage, you know, giving it the attitude and like exuding like kind of sex appeal and, you know, things like that. The vocal was lovely. It was a little bit pitchy in places. And I think you threw a lot into it, and I think you didn't need to throw as much into it as you did, because it kind of, you kind of on the borderline of it nearly being too much. But it was a lovely, lovely performance. I love that you showed that high end and that flip in your voice. That was gorgeous. I think you've got loads of potential, lovely range. I think you need to work on your riffs, getting them cleaner. But all round, I think it was a lovely performance. So well done.
Kelly, what did you think?
I really loved how you dressed to fit the song. It was sort of like being catapulted back to that sort of era. I loved the fact that song showed off your range and that sort of like Kate Bush sort of resemblance when you go up high, and they really sort of played to your quirkiness, which I loved. It was just, I thought it was really creative the way that you got into the character to portray the song, and I really, really liked it. I do agree in certain places the vocal wasn't what it could have been, but I think that'll come anyway. I think you threw so much into the song, into the performance side of things, that but with more experience and that you get, everything will come together as a whole then. Well done.
Yeah, so like, I know you've come into the season and you want to show us off all different styles of what you can do, because that's what you did in the previous season that you was with us. You showed us so many different styles, but I want you to still remember that you've got to be careful with how you're picking songs, and if they are last minute, because you don't get a lot of time, you've got a week to learn a song, just make sure you're 100% with it coming into it. I wouldn't want you to take any risks too much if it's not going to be spot on. Listen to yourself back first before sending it over, and just make sure you were happy with every little detail of what you're doing. If you're not, don't send it. Redo it or do a different song. Only because this is different how we're doing it this season through a video like this, and for me personally, I want them to be bang on. You know, it's a lot easier for people. You've got more time to focus on the song at home. You've got more time you can re-record the song several times until you get it right. So there's not really any excuse for any pitchiness in that, because literally you should be, if I had the time to do all of this, my videos would be boom through the roof. You know, where when you're on the night, you got that one shot to do it. So just be aware of what you're doing when you're taking your challenges. And what I did love about, I loved the effort in the presentation, and I loved the sass at the end like this. Yeah, sister. Other than that, good work. Nice to see you challenge yourself, but be very aware when you're challenging yourself and taking on these different styles. Just remember to look over it first and make sure you were vocally happy with it. All right? Well done.